My gosh, yummy, yummy. Look. Grabe ka, crispy besh yung ano niya, skin. Yan, ang daming balat.
On November 17th, 2024, a tsunami struck the state of Washington. Wait, I live in Washington, and I didn't see or hear a tsunami, let alone reports about damage that I caused, or even mentions of it on the news. What do you mean a tsunami occurred? And that is where you would be wrong. The tsunami didn't really occur that day, just what you would expect on the shoreline of the Pacific Ocean. Instead, this tsunami occurred at a spot more than 200 miles inland from the ocean and elevated.
Hello, how's everyone? Ayan, may tayo dito, lechon, oh. Super dami. Ang dami, besh. Doon ko nabili to sa Rizal Street. Malapit lang dito sa amin. Mainit-init pa to nung nabili ko to a while ago. Kaing! Ang daming skin. Tapos, napaka-crispy pa. Oh, look at that. It's really big. Tikman natin. Ito. Look, oh. Crispy. Masarap yung lechon nila. Crispy, super crispy, and super napaka tasty ng lechon. Okay. Kain po. Laki besh, oh. So, nung last kain ko na lechon, nung nasa ako? Nung nasa Siargao ako. Last year ba yun? Matagal-tagal na rin. Sarap. So, sa mga taga-Palawan, kung gusto nyong bumili ng lechon, baboy, located ito sa Rizal Street, Puerto Princesa City, along the road. So, makikita nyo lang sila agad. Kasi along the road lang yung nila, pwesto nila. Ang sarap, besh. Tapos, ang dami, look at this, oh. 1 kilo. O, diba? Pero hindi pare-parehas yung kilo dito. May 850, depende. Pero nabili ko siya ng 700. Pero besh, oh, worth it. Ang dami. Daming laman. Tsaka yung skin, look at that. Hindi ko to mauubos. Masarap to pang lechon paksiw. Bye-bye. Kain muna ako. Bye. God bless everyone and ingat.